Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing the sleek and stylish XOS 13 launcher from Infinix onto any non-rooted Android phone. This launcher offers a refreshing new look and feel to your device, packed with a range of features to enhance your smartphone experience. The first step is to download the XOS 13 launcher app file. You can find the download link in the video description. If you're downloading the app to your computer, transfer it to your phone using a USB cable or file transfer app. Before installing the app, you'll need to enable unknown sources on your phone. This setting allows you to install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store. Find the downloaded XOS 13 launcher APK file on your phone. Tap on the APK file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, you'll find the XOS 13 launcher icon on your home screen. Tap on it to launch the launcher. The XOS 13 launcher boasts a modern and minimalist design, offering a visually appealing interface. Personalize your home screen with a variety of themes, widgets, and icon packs. Access your favorite apps, contacts, and tools quickly with the convenient smart sidebar. Organize your apps efficiently with the customizable app drawer. That's it, you've successfully installed the XOS 13 launcher on your Android phone. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.